Now let's go and take a look at the next rule. Dividing the numerator by a fraction divides the fraction, right? That means breaks it up into equal groups. Whereas multiplying the denominator of a fraction also divides the value of the fraction. So again, I think we just need to work through some numbers to really kind of understand what's going on here. So if I have a 6/7 divided by a 3, what I can simply do is just say, oh, if I want to get the answer really quickly, just go ahead and divide my numerator by that value, and I get a 2/7. Done, right? Now, again, does 2/7, is 6/7 divided 3 times equal to 2/7? Well, let's break it up. Can I take a 2/7 plus a 2/7 plus a 2/7? Does that give me 6/7? Yeah. 2, 4, 6. 6/7, not 6, 7, 6/7. I'm being very clear there. Now, again, another way that we teach inside the classroom is if I'm dividing by 3, right, I can rewrite that as a multiplication problem of 6/7 times the reciprocal of 1/3. This is why that works, because it's right here. Multiplying your denominator of a fraction also divides the fraction. It's the same operation, guys. That's why a lot of times students remember this, or a lot of times students forget this. But again, it's the exact same thing. So let's work through something that maybe we cannot divide our numerator into. So if I have a 4/5 divided by 3, I can't divide 4 into 3, right? That's going to get messy. But I know I can take 3 and multiply by my denominator. So therefore, that's going to give me a 4/15. Now again, let's make sure. Does 4/5 divided by 3, does that give me 3 equal groups of 4/15? Let's check. So if I have a 4/15 plus a 4/15 plus a 4/15, that's going to give me 4, 8, 12/15, which again, I can reduce by 3. So therefore, what did I do? 4, 8, 12 over 15. I multiply. What did I do? I feel like I did something wrong. 4/15. So therefore, that's going to give me a 12/15. 4, 8, 12. And then I can reduce that. Oh yeah, I need to reduce that to a 4/5. Yeah, duh. Okay. Sorry, I had a little brain fart. I can divide the 3 into the top and the denominator, and that's going to give me a 4/5. Voila.